Bruce Blackwood. I'm the general manager of the premise connectivity business within the communications solutions group. I think our distribution partners are key. The capabilities that they obviously fill a need in the marketplace, right? Which is, how do we get product to job sites quickly, efficiently, easily? And then how do we maintain the integrity of the specification for the product that the service provider drives and the owners, builders, and developers that they drive? So they play a key role in helping us get product to market. I think with us, what we always certainly talk about with those customers is opportunity. Our part of the marketplace, again, in the customer premise, is somewhat different than the outside plant or the broadband world, right? And we open up another group of contractors that are doing that residential construction. So we open up new revenue streams or new market opportunities for our distribution partners.